If you want your business to grow faster this year with less effort, these AI tools will literally do the work for you. I'm breaking down all of the AI tools that can build your business for you in 2026 and will save you hours every single week. These are the tools that I use for two of my business, a creator business, UK Curly Girl, and my product business, Oso Curly. And honestly, if you implement just two of these, your life will be changed forever. You'll be able to work faster, stay more consistent, and feel way less overwhelmed. So let's just get straight into the first tool. So the first one is an AI prompt tool, because let's be honest, AI is only useful when you know how to give it a good prompt. There have been so many times where I have prompted ChatGPT about 10 times around the same topic and still haven't got the answer that I needed. Whereas you can use an AI prompt tool that will help you to get that answer faster. So instead of having a simple prompt like write me an Instagram caption for this post, you can get way more detailed. You can share your brand language, your tone, your branding, everything within that prompt that will help a ChatGPT tool or an AI tool to give you a better result. Now, if you've been stuck with building a website, I love to recommend everbee store. This is another AI tool that will create a whole website for you, ready for you to start selling digital products. And you can even plug in your Etsy store or print on demand. This will be created for you in minutes using just one prompt. If you are someone that isn't fussed about how things look, you just want a simple website to sell your products on, make it quick and easy and fast, everbee store is the perfect solution for you. I will leave a link for everbee down below. Next is, of course, ChatGPT. Now, I've actually been using this for years now. If you have a look back on my channel, I did mention ChatGPT in a past AI video that I did, but it has advanced amazingly within the past few years, and it is a tool that I now don't use occasionally. I literally use it every single day to help me manage my businesses. It helped me to write the script for this video that you're watching right now. It helps me with my YouTube titles, my SEO, my tags. It also helps me with my content for my physical product business, my product descriptions, strategy, finances, my health, literally a lot of things in life that would have taken me double the time is now being used more effectively and done effectively using AI tools like ChatGPT. And if you use ChatGPT alongside an AI prompt tool, it's going to make your results even better. Alongside ChatGPT, I do just want to mention Gemini as well, which is Google's version of ChatGPT. And I actually prefer Gemini when it comes to imagery. I have created some scarily good photos using Gemini, and I'm going to show you guys here how I created this image, which was an image of me, into a completely different model, which is kind of scary, but it is very useful if you don't have time to take or budget to take product pictures. But I find that the results on Gemini are better than the results that I got on ChatGPT and faster. ChatGPT seems to take a while to create images, so I would recommend switching between the two. Now, if you are a content creator or you are creating content, video content for your socials, even photo content, CapCut is amazing. I am loving the AI tools that are now free to use with CapCut. This has made editing 1,000 times easier. For example, in CapCut, they have an AI tool that will literally transcribe the whole video for you, and then you can edit the video within the transcript. So say I pause here, I can literally go into CapCut and I can select that pause. It will actually tell me that there is a pause and I can delete it, and then that has trimmed the video down for me. This speeds up editing YouTube videos so much. Alongside the other AI tools, make the video look clearer and brighter. They have AI tools that will actually edit a video for you according to the prompt that you give it. CapCut is going to make your video creation process so much easier. And I just laugh when I think like 20, probably, has it been 20 years? Maybe 13, 14, 15 years ago. I remember being at college and editing using Final Cut Pro on the big Macs, and it taken hours to edit a video, and just to see how far technology has come is crazy. Now, another AI tool that you can use alongside CapCut, I think CapCut even has this within CapCut, but I prefer this program instead, Opus Clip, and you can literally copy and paste a YouTube video of yours that's already been edited and is live, and it will create clips for you. So With AI, it will literally pick parts of the video that make sense. It will give you captions for that, and then you can use those shorts to promote a video that you have. This video, I could create little shorts for YouTube, and then I can point it back to the long form video. So if you're someone that doesn't have time to edit clips for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, this program will do it for you, which is so helpful. I actually have been using it for my church where I edit our preaching videos. I can then put the video for the preaching into this program, and it will create little short clips for us to then promote, which is so good, and again saves so much time instead of having to edit a full video and then go ahead and pick clips that you think will work well together. The AI does it all for you. This is going to help you to stay consistent without burning out. Now let's talk about an AI tool that is actually going to help you to make more money, and this is within my email marketing platform, Omnisend. You can create a whole wait list using AI, and when I tell you the results are really, really good, you can then even perfect the results more by using a prompt tool. So here is how you can use it to create a wait list, and this is what the results were when I used the prompt tool. You can also use AI to create your subject lines, your titles, and your copy. So AI is being used within your everyday programs that are actually going to help to make you money, and that has been amazing. Last and not least, if you are a Shopify user, I can't believe that this has been hidden in my Shopify for quite a while now, and I have not taken advantage of it. This is going to save you so much time because this AI tool within Shopify already has access to all of your Shopify data and analytics, things that you wouldn't know from the top of your head and things that you wouldn't be able to read just by looking at your analytics. You can ask this AI anything. So I like to ask it and get quick results. Things like, where are my customers coming from? What 3 states in the US are the most popular for my business? How many sales did I make in 2021? Instead of you having to manually go into your analytics, pick the date 2021, get the results, it's going to tell you straight away. I love this AI tool almost more than ChatGPT when it comes to building my business, because it's going to give me more accurate data than ChatGPT would, because I have to train ChatGPT with my history, whereas Shopify already has everything within it. So if you haven't used that and you are a Shopify user, I highly recommend you add this into your AI toolkit for 2026. So those are all the tools that will literally build your business for you this year. Let me know down below if there are any that you didn't know about, and I will share with you more of my top tips on how to make the most out of those tools. Let's chat in the comment section. Like this video if it was helpful, subscribe for more, and I will catch you in the next one.